Yes, today we're taking a look at upcoming result for BHP Billiton. They're due to release their first half FY16 result on the 23rd of February. Really looking at the result, we're expecting underlying NPAT for the half of 484 million, which sits a bit below consensus, and supporting that underlying EBITDA of about $6.2 billion US dollars. So really some of the key highlights we're expecting in the result are going to be things like the amount of capital that the company is conserving, any expenditure cuts across its capital investment and operating expenses, as well as if it makes any move to change its dividend policy. So BHP has long held its progressive dividend policy, which has seen it pay more recently very high dividend yield up above 6-7% fully franked. In this climate of lower commodity prices that seem here to be sustained for the near term at least, that's certainly putting a stretch on the company's cash flow performance and is starting to pull into doubt its credit metrics, and has already seen it really get one credit rating downgrade from A+ to A with Standard & Poor's. So really going to this result, already flagging its review in the policy, we're expecting and forecasting that the company approximately halves its dividend going forward, but not to worry, it's still going to have a dividend of about 4 to 5% fully franked, which is still very good throughout the cycle. Robust profitability, still going to have a low point in the cycle EBITDA or gross earnings margin in the high 30s, close to 40%, and really start to reinforce that balance sheet and put it in a position where it can start to pursue more growth proactively in the low point of the cycle, which is exactly what it should be doing. So looking forward for the company beyond tomorrow's half-year result, we're looking to see how the oil price and the iron ore price, which is two main exposures, perform. There is some near-term upside risk for oil just from building supply responses, but really 2016 looks like it's going to be a volatile year. So certainly not an investment for those with a short-term outlook on their investment horizon, but for those willing to sit through the volatility and look for long-term value, we do think BHP is an attractive buy. We have an ad recommendation with a 27.40 price target.